Hasawi, Hasawi. Hasawi. Hasawi kita re. Kita re bay Hasawi. Hop 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 hop. Mother chod, very hot, 40 degree. What the fuck, man? I'm now in the Ardea Industrial. See? Ardea, but then the Jaber Stadium. See? The football game. Shop, but then Avenues. Oh my goodness. Me dying. Oh my goodness. Oh. When Shukol, me looking Shukol, sinadaman. Oh, very hot man. It's 40 degree in Kuwait. I don't know what you feel in the 40 degree. 40 degree, maybe same, you know, in the turbo, in the turbo oven toaster, same. Shit, man. Maybe you cooking anda outside, cook. Same, you know, fry anda, you fry egg, but then 2 minutes, 1 minute, already fried. Now, ano mo jud Ardea Industrial, walking in the middle of the desert. Damn, mother chud, too much hot, man. Very hot. Maybe like ano mo jud outside like 5 minutes, me die. Shit, very hot. Ano mo jud going apply application because mapi Shukol 2 months. But then my head karab, mapipulus, akil alatol anda, alatol egg. But then problem bail, hada sino, rent in the house. But then sending Philippines money, problem too much. Oh yes. Now I go to the Swiss, apply. I don't care me hair wala no hair, because me always in the middle only. Bad, good result, always happy. That's why me going to the Swiss company. There is hiring in the Swiss company, but I don't know, maybe this telephone die because very hot outside. The telephone die because, you know, see the sun very hot. The telephone too much thirsty, very hot inside. Oh shit. Let's see what result, no. Goodbye for me, good luck for me. Mungkin ana mo jud hair, wala no mo jud hair. Mother chud, man, very hot. Yes, the Swiss. Before I apply already here, but the problem, me no interest. Say interest, but now me too much interest because no work. Sorry for the funny outside funny. Oh, mojud si shit. Ardea Industrial, puchang ina. See this one, the road very hot. Too much hot the road. Shit, man. Where's that Toyota here? But I remember here, the Swiss. When Swiss, where are you? This one, Swiss. I go apply Swiss. Okay, this one sa wikat because maybe my this telephone explode because very hot outside. Later see you for the result. Let's see the result, the interview. Oh, good luck for me ha. Say good luck. Okay. Oh, very hot. Ardea stores. Shoop. Airport. Dahil airport, Ardea. Going Hasawi, but then going Avenues. Oh my goodness. Why no hear me? Why this problem too much? Ardea.